Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. We have some great news about the ultimate value phone from OnePlus, which is just got better. So OnePlus Z is the third and most important phone from OnePlus this year. The OnePlus 8 series is doing great, but it created a space for a solid $400 to $450 range phone. And I mean modern design, 90Hz refresh rate, AMOLED display, complete camera system, a massive battery, and of course 5G. This is clearly a phone that is destined to do amazing, especially in markets like India, which is why OnePlus is giving this phone its own launch spotlight. So it was long believed that OnePlus would use a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chip on its OnePlus Z smartphone because of its cheap price. This is something that annoyed some of you guys, but guess what? According to exclusive news coming from MaxJ and Twitter, the OnePlus Z will actually use a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 5G processor. This is indeed a great news, since this is the chip that is said to power phones like Google Pixel 5 later down the year. It's a pretty good high-performing chip with Adreno GPU. We can all agree that it's much better choice than MediaTek processor, and of course it has 5G built-in. Not only that, Max also gave us the announcement leak for OnePlus Z, which is planned for the month of July. This is pretty interesting because OnePlus is making sure that this phone has its own complete spotlight. Because this month we are gonna see another killer solid phone coming at $400 range, a bad boy from Google, the Pixel 4a. Google Pixel 4a, like every other Pixel phone, is leaked out there completely in real life images. There are people who actually own the prototype of this phone. Someone recently posted camera samples as well. So for $399, basically you are getting a Pixel 4 camera on a phone design that's possibly the best we have ever seen on a Google Pixel phone. A 5.8-inch punch hole on the display, probably a plastic body with a fingerprint scanner on the back. It is so exciting to see the $400 smartphone bracket getting all the commission at this point. Even Samsung could bring a mystery mid-range smartphone in the mix. Of course, none of these phones will be as compact, as powerful as the iPhone SE, but they are surely miles ahead when it comes to design. I mean, all that power on a 4.7-inch screen is probably not gonna be a very enjoyable experience in my opinion. So I'll personally take a larger modern screen design smartphone with a decent processor any day. Well, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.